Looking to upgrade your pickup truck with the latest gadgets that make life on the road easier, smarter, and way more fun? You're in the right place. Today, we're diving into 20 new pickup truck gadgets on Amazon that every truck owner will want to check out. From innovative storage solutions and tech-savvy accessories to must-have tools for off-road adventures, these gadgets are designed to save time, boost convenience, and take your truck game to the next level. Stick around. Some of these picks might completely change the way you drive and use your truck. Number 1. Camco Rhino 28-gallon RV. Tote tank transport liquids safely with the Camco Rhino 28-gallon RV tote tank. Built from durable, heavy-duty materials, it keeps water, fuel, or other liquids secure during transit. Its leak-proof lid ensures safe storage, and the compact design fits neatly in most truck beds or trailers. Ideal for camping, road trips, or work projects, this versatile tank is easy to carry, organized, and built to last, making it a must-have for truck owners and adventurers alike. Number 2. MaxxHaul Trailer. Dolly maneuver trailers effortlessly with the MaxxHaul Trailer Dolly. Designed for heavy-duty use, it allows you to move trailers in tight spaces without strain. Durable construction ensures long-lasting performance, and its compact size makes storage simple. Perfect for boats, campers, or utility trailers. The MaxxHaul Dolly saves time and effort while providing safe, controlled movement, making it an essential tool for truck owners managing trailers or seasonal equipment. Number 3. K&N Cold Air Intake. Silverado Sierra Yukon. Boost engine performance with the K&N Cold Air Intake for Silverado, Sierra, and Yukon models. It increases airflow to your engine, improving horsepower, torque, and throttle response. Built from high-quality materials, it ensures durability and long-lasting performance. Easy to install, it enhances engine efficiency and produces a deeper, more aggressive sound. Perfect for enthusiasts looking to upgrade their truck without complicated modifications, this intake provides both performance and style in one upgrade. Number 4. Nilight. Add a circuit. Fuse tap 10-pack. Expand your truck's electrical system easily with the Nilight Add a Circuit Fuse Tap. This 10-pack allows you to safely add accessories without cutting wires. Durable and reliable, it protects circuits from overload while providing secure connections. Ideal for powering lights, dash gadgets, or electronics, these fuse taps simplify wiring and keep your truck's electrical system organized. Perfect for DIYers, off-roaders, and tech-savvy truck owners, they make adding gadgets safer and hassle-free. Number 5. HLAUTO Emergency Dash Strobe Lights. Stay visible and safe with HLAUTO Emergency Dash Strobe Lights. These high-intensity lights alert other drivers during roadside emergencies or hazardous situations. Easy to install on any dashboard, they're durable, weather-resistant, and reliable in all conditions. Perfect for roadside assistance, construction vehicles, or personal trucks, these strobe lights provide peace of mind by increasing visibility and safety whenever you're stopped on the side of the road or dealing with unexpected hazards. Number 6. 360-degree backup camera. Park and reverse with confidence using the 360-degree backup camera. Providing a full view around your truck, it reduces blind spots and improves safety when maneuvering in tight spaces. Installation is simple, and it's compatible with most trucks. Perfect for everyday driving, towing, or off-road use, this camera delivers real-time video that helps prevent accidents, protects your cargo, and ensures you can navigate crowded areas or tricky terrain safely and stress-free. Number 7. Bluetooth Car Stereo Receiver. Upgrade your truck's audio experience with a Bluetooth car stereo receiver. Stream music, make calls, and control audio wirelessly while driving. Compatible with most truck models, it delivers clear sound and intuitive controls. Installation is straightforward, replacing older stereo systems without hassle. Ideal for daily commutes, long road trips, or off-road adventures, this receiver adds convenience, entertainment, and modern functionality to your truck, keeping you connected and your drives enjoyable. Number 8. Maxzina Maverick Bed Storage Bin Lock Cover. Secure your truck bed with the Maxzina Maverick Bed Storage Bin Lock Cover, designed to fit Maverick storage bins. It protects your gear from theft and the elements. Durable construction ensures long-lasting use, and installation is easy and tool-free. Perfect for contractors, adventurers, and daily drivers, it keeps cargo safe while keeping your truck bed organized and accessible, making it a reliable solution for protecting tools, camping gear, or personal items. Number 9. Soft Roll-Up Tonneau Cover Silverado Sierra. Protect your truck bed with the soft roll-up tonneau cover for Silverado and Sierra models. Its flexible design allows quick access to cargo while shielding it from rain, dirt, and theft. Lightweight and durable, it rolls up easily when not in use. Installation is straightforward, requiring no special tools. Perfect for work, travel, or weekend adventures, this cover combines practicality, security, and a sleek look, making your truck bed both stylish and functional. Number 10. Herculiner Roll-On Bed Liner Kit Black. Shield your truck bed from scratches, dents, and rust with the Herculiner Roll-On Bed Liner Kit in black. Easy to apply, it provides a durable, textured coating that enhances grip and prevents cargo from sliding. Designed for long-lasting protection, it withstands heavy use and harsh weather. Ideal for work trucks, off-road vehicles, or recreational haulers, the Herculiner kit adds both safety and style while preserving your truck's resale value. Number 11. WOLFBOX G840S 4K Mirror Dash Cam. Capture every moment on the road with the WOLFBOX G840S 4K Mirror. Combining a rearview mirror with a high-resolution dash cam, it records both front and rear views with clarity. Features like night vision and loop recording ensure reliable performance in all conditions. Easy to install, it enhances safety and provides peace of mind for commuters, road trippers, and off-road enthusiasts, keeping your drives documented and secure. Number 12. Govee Car LED Interior Lights App Control. Transform your truck interior with Govee Car LED Interior Lights, fully controllable via smartphone app. Adjust colors, brightness, and lighting effects to match your mood or style. Installation is quick, creating a modern, stylish look without adhesives. Perfect for night drives, road trips, or personalizing your cabin. These LED lights combine fun, convenience, and practicality, giving your truck a unique interior atmosphere that's fully customizable and visually stunning. Number 13. CURT Chrome Hitch Ball 2-inch 3,500 pounds. Tow with confidence using the CURT Chrome Hitch Ball, rated for up to 3,500 pounds. Designed for 2-inch hitches, it provides a secure and durable connection for trailers, boats, or cargo. Chrome construction offers corrosion resistance and a polished look. Installation is simple with standard tools. Ideal for work trucks, recreational towing, or weekend hauls, the CURT Hitch Ball delivers reliability and peace of mind on every towing job. Number 14. Napier Backroadz Truck Bed Tent 2-person. Turn your truck bed into a comfortable campsite with the Napier Backroadz Truck Bed Tent for 2 people. Easy to set up and compatible with most truck beds, it creates a secure, elevated sleeping area. Durable, weather-resistant materials keep you dry, while ventilation panels ensure comfort. Lightweight and portable, this tent transforms your truck into an adventure-ready camper, perfect for weekend trips, tailgating, or spontaneous outdoor getaways. Number 15. ARANA Maverick Tailgate Assist. Make tailgate operation effortless with the ARANA Maverick Tailgate Assist. This hydraulic system reduces weight, preventing sudden drops and making lifting or lowering safe and easy. Installation is straightforward and compatible with existing tailgate hardware. Ideal for daily drivers or contractors who frequently load and unload cargo, it protects hands, tailgate, and cargo while adding convenience, making everyday truck use smoother, safer, and more user-friendly. Number 16. Forccord Truck Bed Tie-Down Anchors 6-pack. Secure your truck bed, cargo, with Forccord truck bed. Tie down anchors. This 6-pack of heavy-duty mounting points ensures straps or ropes stay in place, keeping loads safe during transit. Durable materials withstand heavy use and harsh conditions. Easy to install, they provide reliable attachment points for hauling tools, gear, or outdoor equipment. Perfect for truck owners who need organized, safe, and versatile cargo management for work, travel, or recreation. Number 17. DNYKER Hard Trifold Tonneau Tacoma. Protect your Tacoma's truck bed with the DNYKER Hard Trifold Tonneau cover. Its trifold design allows easy access to cargo while shielding it from weather, dust, and theft. Durable, weather-resistant materials ensure long-lasting use, and installation is simple. Perfect for commuting, work, or weekend adventures, this cover adds both practicality and style, keeping your truck bed secure, functional, and looking sharp. Number 18. Rhino Hitch Step 12 inches. Make climbing into your truck bed safer and easier with the Rhino Hitch Step, measuring 12 inches. Sturdy steel construction with a textured surface prevents slipping and supports heavy weight. Quick to install, it also works as a platform for hitch-mounted cargo. Ideal for contractors, outdoor enthusiasts, or anyone needing a reliable step, it adds both safety and convenience to daily truck use while enhancing functionality. Number 19. Car Sun Visor Extender Anti-Glare. Reduce glare and improve visibility with the Car Sun Visor Extender. This anti-glare accessory extends your existing visor to block sunlight from awkward angles. Easy to attach and adjust, it fits most trucks without interfering with normal visor use. Perfect for early morning commutes, long drives, or sunny days, it makes driving safer and more comfortable, protecting your eyes and reducing distractions on the road. Number 20. EGR RollTrac Electric Tonneau Ram 1500. Upgrade your Ram 1500 with the EGR RollTrac Electric Tonneau cover. With a push-button electric retractable design, it provides secure, weatherproof protection for your truck bed cargo. Durable, weather-resistant materials ensure long-lasting use, while installation is straightforward. Combining style, convenience, and security, the RollTrac Tonneau makes accessing your truck bed effortless while keeping your cargo safe from theft and the elements. That wraps up 20 of the newest pickup truck gadgets on Amazon. From tonneau covers and bed organizers to dash cams and towing accessories, these tools make your truck smarter, safer, and more versatile. Which gadget will you add to your ride first? Share your pick below.